Hi, my name is Alan Burries. I'm a speaker and author on safety, self-defense, and effective communication. I also wrote the Ben Baker sniper novel, Lost Conscience, and the Tough Guy Wisdom series, the ultimate guides to tough guy movie quotes and trivia. I've combined over 30 years of martial art and self-defense training, serving as a paratrooper with the 82nd Airborne Division, and as a sniper with the 2nd ID in South Korea, with my business and law degrees to create my unique Warrior's Edge and Black Belt Communicator programs. The Warrior's Edge programs include business and executive safety presentations to keep you safe when traveling, at home, or on the street. There's also a college program to keep students safe on campus, and a motivational keynote on getting things done with the Warrior's Edge through dedication, discipline, and determination. The Warrior's Edge physical programs include hands-on learning in the areas of restraint and control for law enforcement and security, essential self-defense skills for both men and women, defending yourself with the cane, and effective joint locking techniques. The Black Belt Communicator programs focus on effective communication skills for conflict resolution, negotiation, mediation, and leadership. We are always communicating, but the key is to communicate effectively to achieve our desired outcomes. Unless you live in a cave by yourself somewhere, the skills learned in these programs will help you in all areas of your life. Take a look around the site. You'll find articles, reviews, and products all designed to help you with your safety, self-defense, or better communications. Be sure to sign up for your free guide to what I consider the most important ingredient to safety and self-defense, and something that I also teach in my Black Belt Communicator programs. If you're watching this video from someplace other than my site, be sure to go to www.burries.com to get your free guide, and that's www.burrese.com. Get your free guide there. You know, I look forward to meeting you at one of my live programs, so be sure to come up and say hello. Until then, take care and stay safe.